Temitope, God has blessed your day. On this December 3rd, we lift our voice to say, may His light shine on you, may His grace be your guide. Harmony in His love you will always abide. Happy birthday, Temitope, God's joy be your song. May He keep you safe and make your faith strong. More years in His favor, more peace from above. Walk in His purpose and endless love.